Hello and Merry Christmas. I'm so excited that it's time to say Merry Christmas again. I just want to share with you some video from our event over the weekend. We do this fundraiser every year for my granddaughter. This is the 13th annual Trees for Poppy event, and it is the most wonderful community event. We have made so many wonderful friends, and the people have just shown up to support Poppy, who has Apert syndrome and autism. She is the most delightful little girl you could ever hope to meet, and it is my pleasure to get to watch her throughout the week. So I'm sure if you watch my videos, you'll hear me asking Poppy if we get a thumbs up or not on a particular baked good. These items here are from our little Christmas shop. We have people who make all kinds of wonderful handmade goods, and we have people who donate other items, and we just create this little Christmas shop. These pictures here Poppy drew for a coloring contest, and the kids get to color them, and we post those online and find out who wins the coloring contest. So I just wanted to share this video and let you kind of see into my life a little bit more, and I have such a passion for caring for Poppy and for making sure that her life is as full and happy as it can be. So thank you for watching, and I will be back with some baking videos here in the next few days, and we'll get back to our regularly scheduled routine, I guess. All right, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful Christmas season.